Hi, welcome. This is a quick overview of Bead Manager Pro, just to give you a bit of an idea of what it looks like and how it works. You can see here this is the initial screen that you'll get when you've launched the program and actually installed it. So we can navigate through here, through the general sections, through your inventory for your parts and pieces and vendors, etc. And then we've got the extra bits of the database for your customers and invoices and consignment orders. Um, Again, you can navigate through off the top here as well. So if we go into any one of these tabs, then we can navigate through the sections across there, so you don't have to come back to the main menu all the time. The first part would be your admin section. So once you've filled in all the details about your company, you can put in a logo, you can pick your tax rate for your country, wherever you might be, and then all this data gets taken from here and put onto any invoices that you might have. You can create backups of your data in here instantly, so anytime you want to back up your data, you just click on the button, back it up. You can store that on a zip drive somewhere else if you want. If we look in the inventory section, okay, so we've got a big list once you've added in all your different parts, and this is just a list of sample parts in here. So we have a great big list of all the different parts that you might have in stock. Now we can filter those lists, so if we just filter that just by, say, acrylic beads. Okay, so we make it very nice and easy to find. We can always sort when we've got the whole list as well. We can sort them by size. There's nothing in here at the moment because I haven't put any parts in stock or the part name. If we just clear that, then we can see you can just, if you've got the whole list there, then you can sort it easily by the quantity or whatever it might be, just for a quick sort. In the detailed section for a part, this is where you'd put everything in about it, where you purchased it from. It'll work out average prices for you. You can add in a picture. We can go into the pieces. So the same situation in here. You'd have a list of all your pieces once you've completed them, and you can filter that off as well in the same way. If we go into the detail part section, when we actually make a piece up, then you put in the category, give it some details, how many you're making. You add a part, and then you just select that from the pieces in your list. I've only got 2 here because it only shows the actual pieces that you've got in stock. If you don't have a purchase record for it, or if they're out of stock, then it won't show anything in here. As it goes through, then it works out the prices, so how much per unit, works out the actual total price, calculates the cost for you in here, the cost of materials. You can add in your own item price, labor prices and other costs, and then it'll calculate the sale price for you automatically, so wholesale, direct or retail, and you can amend any of these that you want as well for different markup prices. And you've got an alert section as well, so you can have an alert when it gets to a low amount, and it will just pop up in here, and you'll see the alerts button will turn red if there was an alarm in here at the moment. In your sales, then you can enter in all your invoices, so just add in all the details of invoices for your customers in here. And in your customer section, then you just keep records of all your different customers, any information about them, so obviously their name and address. It keeps a nice summary down here, so in your sales list there's all your list of invoices. If you go into a customer, you can find any invoice for them. It will just list them all under that customer's ID. You can have in here as well, for your customers, you can put in alarms for them, so when their birthday, anniversary or any other date. So this is a very good way of keeping in touch with your customers as well, so that you can always follow up with them and keep in touch. So that's just a very quick run through of Bead Manager Pro. I hope you like what you see there. There's a lot more to it once you actually get into it, and it'll help you organize your business very well.